In this video, we'll explore the knowledge base, what it is, how it's organized, and why it serves as the foundation of knowledge your agents use. The knowledge base is where all of your organization's information lives. Documents, contracts, policies, guides, and every piece of knowledge your business works with. At first glance, it sounds like a simple file storage system, but it's much more than that. Here's what's important. It's also where your AI agents pull the knowledge from to respond to you and execute processes. What you put in here is what your agent knows about your business. And that gives you a simple rule to know what belongs here. If it's business information you'd want an agent or a teammate to find and use, it goes into the knowledge base. From the dashboard, in the left-hand menu, select Knowledge to see how it's organized. Look at the folder tree. First, these folders are generated from your org chart. Each department in your organization has its own folder, without you having to create it manually. At the top, you'll see the executive office as the main branch, and hanging from it are its departments: customer success, finance, and sales, along with subfolders such as onboarding and retention within customer success. In your account, however, you'll see the departments of your own organization once you build your org chart. Notice the path at the top, which shows Executive Office. It indicates which folder you are currently in. As you navigate into different folders, that path updates accordingly. For example, Executive Office / Customer Success, so you always know exactly where you are. And something important, these folders respect your organization's hierarchy. Each person sees the folder belonging to their area. Whoever is at the top also sees the folders below. And when we log in as the account owner, we can see all of them. In addition to the departments, you have your own spaces. My Personal Info is your private folder, exclusive to you. And then you have the shared areas. Shared is what's shared internally, and it's divided into Organization, which reaches the entire organization, and Teams, where each team you're part of has its own folder. Next, Shared by Me is what you share with others, and Shared with Me is what others share with you. Each one serves its own purpose, and we'll explore this in depth later on. So everything has its place, depending on who it belongs to. At the top, you have these tabs to find things quickly. All shows you everything, while pinned and starred are used for highlighting, but they aren't the same. Pinned marks a document as important for everyone who has access to that folder, whereas starred is your personal marker, something only you can see. Recent brings up the most recent items that have been added or modified. Needs attention isn't marked by you. The system sets it automatically. These are the documents that had an issue while uploading or processing, so you know which ones to review. And search results is where the results appear when you perform a search. Right now, everything is empty because this is a new organization that's just starting out. As soon as you add knowledge, it will appear here. So, how do you fill it up? That's what this button is for. Add Knowledge in the top right corner. It's the gateway to add content into the knowledge base, and it offers several ways to do it depending on where your information comes from. You can create a new document directly here, upload files you already have, or connect a drive so the information flows in automatically. But no matter what, one thing always happens. When you add a document to the knowledge base, it is processed internally to understand its content. That is how your knowledge becomes available to your agents. That's why the knowledge base isn't just where you store your files. It's what gives your agents the context of your business so they can truly help you. And that's the core idea. This is where your organization's knowledge lives, organized by who it belongs to and ready for your agents to use. In the next steps, we'll fill it in, each part in its own time.